Right.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video.
You're taking a video.
Documentation. What I'm doing now is I'm actually laying out the fashion fabric so I can cut out the sleeve. Previously what I did was I actually made a muslin sleeve so I can actually see if it fits on the body of the dress before I were to cut out the fashion fabric, since it's a very expensive beaded fabric. I actually gave it an inch seam allowance on each side because I did not fit my mom in this dress before, because I had to go to work at a job in Ohio and I didn't get to fit the dress. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually getting ready to cut out the sleeve. You see there's gathering stitches at the top, and I previously fitted it on the fashion fabric of the dress. So this is the end process. Now once again, I did not actually fit this dress on my mom yet, and this is actually neoprene fabric. As you saw earlier, I was actually measuring the bust because the most important parts of the dress is the bust, and really it's going to be the arm's eye, and it's going to be the widest hip, which is basically where the butt sticks out, so you can make sure that it fits. And I use neoprene as a base fabric for this gown. Okay, currently what I'm doing right now is I'm seeing if I got a package that has my name on it. I'm pretty sure. See, there's my name. Okay. So it says top trimming, 22 yards. Basically what this is, and it's 2 inches wide at the bottom. Basically what this is it's horsehair. And horsehair is basically to make the bottom stiffer, is to give it the dress more flounce. And I ordered it on Amazon. You could basically get anything on Amazon. It came on Amazon Prime, and it got here in 2 days. So I'm going to show you guys when I actually do sew it to the bottom of how to do that. I will. Now really a lot of this in the process tutorial was done in July when I got my DSLR, but a lot of what I did was in June, and this is mostly the end, so I promise when I make more tutorial videos you guys will see from the beginning to the end, but I just wanted to make sure that it was good quality before I put it out. Here I'm sewing the horsehair on. I actually doubled it. What I did was I sewed the horsehair on top of each other using a straight stitch, and then I just sewed on the outside, and then I flipped it over, sewed, top stitched it, and then I sewed it on to the bottom of the hem so it has more stability. But that's what I'm doing right here. I feel like you should see it in the darkness. It looks a lot better. Okay guys, Katie is dropping me off at the airport.
Hi, it's me.
Isn't she sexy?
Oh my god, Harold.
I know, we're in traffic right now.
That's fine.
Yeah. And where's the Southwest terminal? It's the blue.
You tell me.
Okay, so arrivals, or just departures? No, we're
departures. So
that bitch. Departures. So
I'm in this lane. Okay, so we're good here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is real.
I don't know which. What's your airline again?
I'm Southwest. Okay. Southwest Airlines.
Transportation Security Administration has limited the items that may be carried through the screening checkpoint. Passengers should check with their air carrier for further information.
So right there in that purple.
The purple, get a pic, tell her come here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This shit is so terrific out on the Pacific. Green plants and dance and make you feel it. I'm DJ Quick and I'm so fucking gifted that you didn't even feel when the moment I'm shifting. I turned the pocket around and slowed it all the way down. I'm a musical cocktail. Get out on the ground, start your legs, put your hands behind your back. Get up and walk backwards. You want the rest for them big ass butts and that ass. Maybe get you out of strap. Put your hands up. Get out on the ground, spread them out. You try to run me. You got to listen. Miss, we're calling the forward. They like me, I want them to love me, they love pop. But how do you niggas tell you I'm local? We playing the rap game in the truck car. Fuck this man, my money on my mind, got a meal like the deal, and I'm still.
So thank you so much for coming out with us tonight.
Mom.
Teresa, you can come too, because you and Dale with us too. Tony's wife.
Okay, my wife didn't mention this particular person has come many miles through all the heat to come to be with us. And she, Donna, you hear me talking? Be quiet, woman. Sheila, we like to thank Sheila for coming from Arizona. She came all the way from Arizona. She's my wife's best friend. I'm my wife's best friend. Came all the way from Arizona. She's from the West Side. How many people here from the West Side? West Side?
Yeah, y'all hear Wolfpack over there now. Y'all better get.
Okay, here we go.
Wolfpack.
Oh no. 142nd Street? 142nd Place? Huh? 142nd Place? There we go.
Good.
You know they wild. You know it's ridiculous.
Rhonda had to go. She had homework.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's Jackie's son over there.
Who's Jackie?
Jackie and her son.
Who's Jackie?
Another nice.
I'm recording you. Yeah, I'm recording you.
Y'all geechies over here.
She's holding all these balloons.
She's in Jamaicans.
That's right.